Oi, 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 oi. Scalpel. Let me take this out from the garage. Everybody is sleeping. It's 1:30 a.m. in early morning, or midnight, whatever you call. I took this bike for a spin in morning, in afternoon, evening. It's hectic traffic, so I need to slowly take my bike out because everybody is sleeping. If I turn on the bike, this twin cylinder engine will make a lot of noise and people will get disturbed. Need to be sensible, right? And the neighborhood should not complain. Let me slowly close the gate. Let me take the bike somewhere over there to turn this machine on. The buildings are narrow over here. People, if I turn on the machine, it echoes. Let me turn on the bike. See, this is how it sounds. I don't know why I get this signal whenever I turn on this bike. Let me stop here to show you the bike first. This is KTM Duke 790. The Scalpel is over here on this empty road. How does this look? There will be no traffic. That is the reason I have taken this bike out at 1:30 in morning. You know, in morning or afternoon it takes more than 10 minutes for me to cross this road because it's full of traffic. Nowadays Bangalore is getting flooded with too much of vehicles and traffic. So many people are coming from different states, settling down over here for their livelihood and for job. Bangalore is the IT hub, right? Now I'm going to take this Scalpel towards the airport road so that I can have some fun with this bike. What do you say? Woo! I'll be able to test the full potential of this bike after the first service. For that I need to cross 1000 kilometers. Now I'll make sure that I'm within the limits and I don't cross 7000 RPM. I just wanted to check the visibility of this headlight in the dark, and even I wanted to see how this console looks. It looks beautiful, man, in the night. Look at this console, it's so visible in the night. You know, this console will get auto adjusted as per the external light. If it's under sun, it will automatically get adjusted as per the sunlight so that I can see the console. If it is in night, see, this is how it looks in the night. When I'm on street mode, it might cut down a bit of power in the bike. I can feel the actual power of this bike when I go on track mode. I'm somewhere around 60 km per hour. I'm on 4th gear. This is not the way we need to treat this bike, man. You know, this bike goes to 86 km per hour in 1st gear. On 4th gear I'm on 66 km per hour. What to do? I need to wait. I'm so excited. I'm not able to resist myself. You know, I need to wait till I cover 1000 kilometers. Yes, in this weekend I'm going on a long trip somewhere near Agum Bay from Bangalore, so that I can cover around 800 to 900 kilometers in the weekend, and I can give this bike for service. Then I can roll. Seat is so comfortable, man. It is so easy to handle and to maneuver in the traffic. You know, it's so nimble. It is as easy as you handle 100cc or 150cc bikes. I shouldn't have done that. It's fine. You know what? I'm not that impressed with the headlight. The visibility in the night is not that great, man. As you can see, I'm on high beam. This is low beam. This is high beam. I'm not able to figure out what's happening there ahead of me. If I have to go beyond 120 km per hour in night, for that I'll have to install some other powerful lights. Otherwise, you know, you can't see anything, man. I don't know why they have given the same light what they have given it for 390. If you got street lights, it's okay. This road is so popular in Bangalore. This is the MG road. Very, very, very popular. Quick shifter in this bike is doing a great job. As you can see, I'm on 4th gear, 5th gear, 6th gear. I'm not using the clutch, right? Quick shifter is awesome, man. Oh. What is happening with that cab driver? He's going off track. This is how Bangalore looks in night. I mean, every city looks the same way. There's no much difference, but talking about Bangalore, let me change this to sports mode. I'm not sure whether the audio is clear. I'm going through a lot of wind blast. You know, if you want to overtake or something, you don't need to downshift the gears. You just accelerate. It flies. See. Brakes. Let me check the brakes. My God, brakes are awesome, man. Brakes are awesome. But still, I wanted more power in the brakes. Just pull. Any gear, man. It flies. I should not end up with any surprises, man. So I am a bit careful, cautious, because suddenly we'll end up jumping off from the hump. I'm not wearing any riding gear because I'm not doing any hyper riding. I'm not going on any long trip or short trip. It's just a night ride. You know what? I'm getting a lot of issues with the mics, external mics that I'm using with this GoPro Hero 5. I'm not getting the proper audio, man. When I cross 80, I'm getting a lot of cracking noise, wind blast, sound and all that. So I bought two different mics. I bought two different mics. One I bought it from US, I paid around 3,500, and the other one is just 150 rupees, which I bought it from Amazon. As of now, I'm recording with something 150 rupees mic, a cheaper mic. So I just wanted to check whether the audio is clear, and when I'm going back home, I will record with the other mic which I bought it from the US. I just wanted to check which audio works well with this GoPro Hero 5. The fuck, where should I go? ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಕಾರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಹೆಂಗೋಗ್ಲಿದ್ರು ಹೋಗ್ಲಾ? Now I'm testing with the another mic with this GoPro Hero 5. This mic I got from the US. Let me see how this mic performs. Where should I go? This way? Okay. There is a way for the bike. I'm just simply talking to record my voice, to check whether my voice is clear at 128 km/h. And let me check at 100 and wobbling, warning, roads are not that great, man, dangerous, wobbling, steering damper saved me, man, the steering damper. When I came here last time, way back, I think 6 months back or something, roads were awesome. Why they have destroyed these roads, I don't know. Because of heavy trucks. Let me take the U-turn. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm going back home, and you are gonna see me in the next video. I'm coming up with a lot of content with this scalpel. You know, I'll be doing crazy stuff with this bike, going on long rides, short rides. You will see a lot of content. Just go ahead and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Hit like if you have not. If you have liked, then I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned, take care, bye bye, boom.